Finding the right washer and dryer set that fits both your budget and lifestyle shouldn't be difficult, but facing hundreds of lookalike models and wading through all the confusing tech terms can get overwhelming. That's why, in this video, I am going over the 6 best washer and dryer sets. Each was selected for different types of needs. You'll find links to the best prices for all the washer and dryer sets mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these washer and dryer sets aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 6 is the LG WM40-00HWA Ultra Large Capacity Washer and LG DLEX40-00W Dryer. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This washer has a large 4.5 cubic foot capacity, and it can handle big loads, towels, bedding, and anything. It spins at 1,400 revolutions per minute, which pulls out so much water that clothes come out barely damp. That means the dryer doesn't have to work as hard, saving time and energy. Speaking of the dryer, it's as solid as the washer. One cycle usually gets everything completely dry, and there's no need to run it twice. Both machines are quiet, and with regular maintenance, they can stay looking and performing like new. You'll also get thoughtful touches, like a magnetic door hold that lets you keep the washer slightly open between cycles to air out the drum, which helps prevent odors. The set is available in classic white or graphite steel, and you can add matching pedestals for extra storage. The only features missing here are a drum light and auto dispensers for detergent and softener. But for most people, especially if you use pods, that's not a deal breaker. Overall, if you want reliable cleaning and drying power without overspending, this set hits the sweet spot. Number 5 is the LG WM14-55 HWA and DLHC14-55W. This is the most compact option on our list. If you're short on space but still want a washer and dryer that can handle everyday loads without cutting corners, this set is worth a look. The washer is only 24 inches wide, so it can slide under a countertop, fit in a closet, or stack neatly with the dryer. Despite the small footprint, you still get a 2.4 cubic foot washer and a 4.2 cubic foot dryer, so you can wash and dry full outfits, bedding, or even a week's worth of clothes without feeling cramped. The AI fabric sensor automatically adjusts wash settings based on the type of fabric, and smart pairing means the washer can tell the dryer which cycle to use. That means less guesswork for you. There's also a steam option for deep cleaning, which helps remove dirt, odors, wrinkles, and even over 95% of pet dander and dust. You can control both machines from your phone using LG's ThinQ app or with voice commands through Alexa or Google Home. And because it's ventless, the dryer doesn't need outside venting. Perfect for apartments or tight laundry spaces. Build quality is solid too, with a stainless steel tub that won't snag clothes, a tempered glass door, and a 10-year motor warranty. It's also Energy Star certified, so you'll save on electricity. For a compact laundry solution loaded with smart features, this one checks all the boxes. Number 4 is the Electrolux ELF W75-37AW front load washer and ELFG 75-37AW dryer. This is the most energy efficient washer and dryer set on our list. This set can handle big loads with a 4.5 cubic foot washer, perfect for big families or if you like knocking out laundry in fewer runs. The LuxCare wash system adjusts wash actions, temperature, and water levels for each load, so clothes come out cleaner without wasting energy or water. It even has an internal heater for high-temp cycles like Sanitize, which kills 99% of bacteria and 95% of allergens. You get 10 wash cycles, from heavy-duty to delicates, plus options like perfect steam to loosen tough stains, allergen, and an extended refresh that tumbles clothes if you can't unload right away. What I like the most is its adaptive dispenser. It works with liquid, powder, and even detergent pods, so you don't have to toss them directly in the drum. Inside, the stainless steel drum resists odors and wear, and there's a bright LED light so nothing gets left behind. The door is reversible for flexible installation, and with a 1300 RPM max spin, clothes come out drier, cutting down dryer time. Now the dryer matches the washer in efficiency, with multiple heat settings and moisture sensors to prevent over-drying. Both units are Energy Star certified, using only about 85 kilowatt hours a year for the washer. This is what Mendy thinks about it. I purchased the Electrolux Perfect Steam model based on the excellent reviews. I am so happy I did. My clothes have never been cleaner or smelled fresher. If you are looking for a machine, this is the one. Overall, for the performance, capacity, and energy savings, it's a smart long-term pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the washer and dryer sets discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the LG WashTower Laundry Center. This is the best all-in-one stackable laundry unit on our list. It's a washer and dryer in one sleek vertical design, but without the hassle of hard-to-reach controls you'd get with a traditional stacked setup. Instead, the shared control panel sits right in the middle, so both washer and dryer settings are easy to reach. Plus, at about 74 inches tall, it can fit into tighter laundry spaces where standard stacked units might not. This model comes with Turbo Wash 360 degrees, which uses 5 high-pressure jets to clean even big loads in under 30 minutes. There's also an allergen cycle that uses steam to remove over 95% of common allergens from fabrics. And if you hate guessing which cycle to pick, built-in AI sensors detect fabric type and load size, then choose the best settings automatically. Now, the dryer includes turbo steam, so you can quickly refresh clothes or reduce wrinkles without running a full wash. And because the washer and dryer talk to each other, it'll pre-select the right dryer settings based on your wash cycle. That's pretty handy for bedding or delicates. As Michelle wrote in a review, this unit is exactly what we needed for the small space we have in our laundry room. It arrived in perfect condition and fits perfectly. The machine has plenty of amenities and is easy to install. Overall, if you're short on space but still want full-size performance, this is a solid choice. It's fast, smart, and designed to make laundry day a little less of a chore. Number 2 is the GE Ultra Fresh Vent System Washer and Electric Dryer. This is the best value for money option on our list. It's a front-load washer and dryer combo built for people who want powerful cleaning but also want their laundry space to stay fresh. The washer has a 5.0 cubic feet capacity, which is big enough for bulky items like comforters. The dryer offers 7.8 cubic feet, so you can handle large loads without splitting them up. What I love about this set is GE's Ultra Fresh Vent System with odor block. It helps keep the inside of the washer smelling fresh by preventing moisture buildup. There's also Smart Dispense, which can store enough detergent for up to 32 loads and automatically release the right amount each time. Both units are Wi-Fi enabled, so you can start, stop, and monitor cycles through the Smart HQ app. The steam options are also worth mentioning. On the washer, steam helps loosen tough stains, while on the dryer is great for reducing wrinkles and refreshing clothes. There's even a sanitized cycle on both machines to kill bacteria and allergens. The dryer also uses a moisture sensor to adjust time automatically so your clothes aren't over-dried. And if you want a quick turnaround, the one-step wash and dry feature can clean and dry a small load in about 8 hours without needing to transfer anything. Overall, for the features and build quality, it's hard to beat this value. Number 1 is the Samsung Bespoke Stackable Front-Load Washer and Electric Dryer Set. This is the best overall option on our list. You're looking at a 4.6 cubic feet washer paired with a roomy 7.6 cubic feet dryer, stacked neatly to save space but still giving you plenty of capacity for big loads. The standout here is the AI Laundry Hub, which makes laundry brainless in a good way. With AI OptiWash and AI Optimal Dry, it can sense the type of fabric, how dirty it is, and then automatically adjust water, detergent, and drying settings for the best results. You can store up to 30 washes worth of detergent and fabric softener, and it will auto-dose each cycle. Because the washer and dryer talk to each other, the dryer already knows what's coming out of the wash and sets itself accordingly. There's even a less microfiber cycle to cut down on microplastic pollution, plus a quick 15-minute wash option for small loads. Not only this, energy efficiency is also top-notch, with a 5-star rating, and the dryer uses heat pump tech for lower power use. You also get steam cleaning to kill 99.9% of bacteria and allergens, app control for remote scheduling, and notifications that can pop up on your phone, or even a connected Samsung TV when laundry's done. Design-wise, the tempered glass front and sleek controls make it look more like high-end furniture than an appliance. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect washer and dryer set. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each washer and dryer set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.